Hey there, Tom here from FIBONACCI'S.com here. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Thank you very much for joining another weekly edition, my top stocks to watch for the coming week. Without any further ado, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Let's see the charts. First name on my list for this week is Adobe. ADBE is the ticker. Waiting for 2 or 3 days closing above this white trend line. Above it, we are going towards 404 and then 450 on the weekly chart. Short below the 350 towards the 330. Always prepare for both sides. AEHR, as we can see, weekly chart. Uptrend until proven otherwise. We have this white lower trend line that holds the higher lows. Now we had a bounce previous week. Let's see continuation towards 3680. Above 3680, we are going towards 51, 54 towards these upper white trend lines. Trend lines are the true support resistance for price action, but trend lines are also the roadmap for future price action. If you want to be more accurate, you can take Fibonacci to help you for next resistance and support. Above this one, we are going towards 4080. Above 4080, we are going towards upper white trend line together with the 56. RK weekly chart, consolidation between the 33 and the 40, very tight price range. I'm waiting for 2 or 3 days closing above this white trend line, above the 39.40 area. Then we are going toward the 42 and 47 to the upside. Let's see. For now, the risk will be 37 to the downside. AVTR on the weekly chart. Can we get the same price action as we got here? For now, we have similar price action over here. Now I'm waiting for the bounce above 21.30, above 22.20, and then 25.30, in my opinion, will be the next resistance. Above it, we are going 31.20. Patience, sit on hands until price is telling you where it wants to go. Long above 21.30 and then 20.50 to the downside is the risk management. CDZI, very interesting price action. As you can see, 412 to the downside, 511 to the upside. Long, above, short, below. Always follow price. You'll use levels to the upside or to the downside to manage risk and future support and resistance. FDN with 141 to the downside, 151 to the upside. Long, above, short, below. If you're a pattern seeker, pattern trader, you can clearly see left shoulder, head, and what might be the right shoulder. But Fibonacci traders, we don't rely on patterns because patterns are not reliable. All we follow is price. We always prepare for both sides, to the upside, to the downside, and use Fibonacci levels and trend lines to manage our risk. No other indicators are truly needed. Same as here, LAC, very clean chart. We have this white downtrend line that helps us to identify that on the long term, LAC, lower highs. We have this level over here, the 1850, holding as a very strong support since May of 2022, 1 year of support. So what are we going to do? We are going to wait for a break up above and 2 or 3 days closing above this white trend line to go long, or a break below the 1850 to start our short position. Any way we want to go, we have Fibonacci levels to help us to identify the next levels of support to the downside or resistance to the upside. That's it. This is all we had to do. Follow price, use levels and trend lines as our true roadmap for future price action. If you want to become your own trader, stop following others to tell you what to buy, when to buy, what to sell, when to sell, Check the links in the description below. We have the Fibonacci 60 minutes crash course. It's the first step, the foundation to become your own indicator, the first step for your financial freedom. We have the Fibonacci online program, 6 hours, 49 lessons, and we have the one-on-one live mentorship program. Same program, but live. If you want to ask questions during the sessions, if you want lifetime access for support, guidance, all Discord levels, Discord channels, sorry, check the links in the description below. My promise to you, by the end of both programs, the online or the one-on-one live, you will become your own indicator. I promise this. This is why I give lifetime access for support and guidance. No other programs out there gives you lifetime access until you will become your own indicator. LTNH is the next on my list. Continuation above 102 towards this white trend line with the 126. We might start getting short below the 86 towards this white trend line. LRCX, if you follow me on Twitter and you saw previous videos in the past 2 weeks or so, you know we have waited long enough for a break above the 543, and we got it. Now, let's see if 580 will hold as support. Then we are going towards the 645. If you're not following me on Twitter, just press follow, hit the like, subscribe, share with friends this channel, help me grow this channel. If you like what you see, will be much appreciated. MU, after more than 1 year of the tough resistance, the 63, 64 area got broken to the upside. Now 68, 69 is the next resistance. Above it, we are going straight towards 65 to the upside. Risk is at 63.30 to the downside. Nike, if you saw previous video last week, we said we have a double top scenario, and here we are. We are at the neckline, short continuation below last week's lows, 111, and then 101 to the downside. That's it. This is all we have to do. Follow price, use levels and trend lines to manage our risk. Check the links in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Until the opening bell, do good things.